So the harbor boat tour was really good. It was really pretty, really nice. The skyline was amazing. Since I've been here during the whole Toronto Raptors championship stuff, I wanted to get a Toronto Raptors blanket, and I finally did! Hey guys! So Friday was definitely more of like a chill, relaxed day because of all the craziness that happened last night due to the Raptors winning. My coworkers, they were definitely okay with having like a nice relaxed day. I mean, you know, they still had clients to take care of today. I really didn't do too much at work today. I just took some more filler pictures and did a little bit of editing on those. So now I've got a good bank of a lot of the filler shots, which includes like, you know, ties, pocket squares, shoes, and bags and stuff like that. I also continued working on some videography, still thinking of different ways to use the Instagram stories. And then later on at night, I did hang out with my friends tonight, but we didn't do like too much. Originally, you know, we kind of walked all the way down to the lake and we were just gonna sit at one of the parks near the lake, but it was pretty windy and it like started raining just a little bit. So we decided to come back a little bit closer to our residence halls, and we went to St. James's Park, which was a park that we had been to before, and it's a park that's actually got like a jungle gym on it. So we were kind of like playing around in the jungle gym and stuff.
Hi everybody!
Hello.
Of course, it was at like 9-10 o'clock at night, so it was like all the kids were pretty much gone, so we were able to play on the jungle gym. It was really cool. So that's it for today, and that's it of day 14. Hey guys, Saturday was kind of more of a chill day. In the morning, I just kind of relaxed and did some chores a little bit. And then the program had set up a harbor boat tour for us, so we had that in the afternoon. So basically, we went on one of the boats. We were driven around kind of just down the harbor, down like the lakefront. Then we went over to the island, but we did not get out of the boat at all. It was just kind of like a circling like in the island a little bit. And then we came back to the mainland. I really do want to get to the island. I really kind of want to get to the island like at night too, so I can see like the whole city skyline like lit up. Oh, that would be amazing. So the harbor boat tour was really good. It was really pretty, really nice. The skyline was amazing. The only thing that would have made it better was the weather. It was pretty cool here. Lower 60 degrees in Fahrenheit. It was very windy on the lakefront. It was drizzling a little bit with some rain and stuff, so yeah, but other than that, it was a really, really nice tour. After the boat tour, some of my friends and I went to go get some late lunch, early dinner, I guess, at Kelly's Landing. And then we kind of just all hung out for the rest of the night. We were still kind of celebrating Deemi's birthday because even though we celebrated on Tuesday, that was still a weekday and we all had work the next day, so it's like we kind of wanted to properly celebrate this weekend. We had a larger group of people this time and we all just kind of had fun. And that's it of day 15. Hey guys, Sunday was also definitely more of a relaxed day. There wasn't too much that I did. Again, the morning was a little bit relaxed. You know, did some chores and some other stuff. A few of my friends wanted to go out for some breakfast, so we all kind of went back to Cora's. It was kind of like a late breakfast, probably more like brunch. We went there at like 11 noon. A lot of us were tired from yesterday, from Saturday, so we kind of went our separate ways again. This time I went shopping a little bit. I have been wanting to get a blanket here because the blankets that the residence hall gave us are like super thin. I've been like cold at night, so I kind of wanted like another blanket, but I didn't want to just get like any blanket. I want a blanket that I can take home and like use back at home. Since I've been here during the whole Toronto Raptors championship stuff, I wanted to get a Toronto Raptors blanket, and I finally did. There aren't like too many places around here that actually sell blankets, like Toronto Raptors blankets. Of course, there's like plenty of places that sell Toronto Raptors merch, but none that really sell blankets. So I've been kind of sad because I've been like looking online and everything, but like none of their online stock actually says it. And I'm just like, you know what? Why don't we just physically go to these stores and see what they've got? Because especially for me, I like to feel the blankets before I actually like purchase them. And so I didn't want to just like buy one online. Just my luck, Bed Bath & Beyond actually had one. Yeah, of all places, Bed Bath & Beyond. They had a really, really nice blanket, and I am like so happy. So I went and bought that, and then again, I just relaxed a little bit in my residence hall. Later on at night, we kind of had this idea at breakfast this morning to have a movie night tonight. So a lot of us were kind of tired and stuff, but at the same time, it's like we still all want to hang out with each other. So we decided to have a movie night. We all came to one of the residence halls, and we actually watched The Breakfast Club. Most of us have already seen it, but it's kind of a play on our group chat name. So we watched The Breakfast Club and just kind of had a nice night. That's pretty much it of day 16.